So welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Elgato Facecam Pro, the first ever webcam to support 4K capture at 60 frames per second, and friend, a wide viewing angle photographic lens with various focus, a revolutionary image processor, and onboard flash memory. The premium plug and play webcam allows creators to produce ultra high definition video without the need for an elaborated camera setup. And friend, it features the Studio grade f by 2.021 mm Elgato autofocus lens, which can also be set manually within a focus range of 10 cm per 4 inch to infinity, and a field of view up to 90 degrees allows for wide studio shots or group video call, while the state-of-the-art large area 1 by 1.8 inch SONY STARVIS Sensor capture exceptional detail even when using effects like pan, tilt, and zoom, or when lightening the suboptimal and rounding off the webcam's high-end performance is Elgato's latest image signal processor, a powerhouse of a chip that is responsible for encoding and streaming 4K 60 video via USB 3.0 with ultra-low latency, all-white facilitating instant light correction, automatic noise reduction, and slew of other nano-computations that deliver phenomenal video quality in any setting. And friend, even when using apps that do not support 4K 60 video input, the processor applies an advanced algorithm that turns raw 4K 60 video into 1080p 60 video, allowing you to stream better looking full HD video than you would with a standard 1080p webcam. And friend, it will become with a robust monitor mount that features an industry standard 1 by 4 inch thread for attaching the webcam to Elgato multi-mount or any compatible tripod, and also included a type C to type C cable to get you connected right out of the box. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.